So now that we know what Ethernet is and what exactly it does, I want to go back for a minute to this diagram that you see here that we've been using all along. It's our two PLCs connected via a network hub. So we know now that Ethernet deals with all of these collisions and is responsible for getting data from one device to the other. And it does a whole set of things to do that. What I want you to remember is that the Modbus software module and TCP/IP software module really has no idea what's happening with Ethernet. Ethernet is responsible for all of the transmission of the data and the collisions that happen on the network arbitration. But TCP/IP and the Modbus software module have not a clue what's happening. They just send the Modbus software module sends the data to TCP/IP, and TCP/IP sends it to Ethernet. And it will get feedback, of course. They will get feedback to see if something has been successful or not. But they're not concerned with the details of how Ethernet works. It just knows they treat Ethernet like a black box, all right? So that takes layering one step further. And so we have our Modbus software module, we have TCP/IP with transport, internet, and network access, and finally we have our Ethernet, which is our physical layer. So just keep that in mind and now understand now the true power of this layering that is used to design networks, right? It separates responsibilities for different parts of the whole communication process. Okay.